Yo, what's up people? It's Mystic back with another video. Today we have the airdrop claim. So if you go to airdrop's Twitter, you can see 3 hours ago their mainnet has just gone live, which means you're able to claim your airdrop today. So I said I'll make a quick video letting everybody know how to claim their airdrop. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward, boys. Also the price is listed at 0.32. It's now around 0.25. A lot of people have sold the past 3 hours. Myself, I haven't. I'm not sure if I'm going to or not. I don't know if I want to hold this for long term or if I want to sell, but we're gonna have to see how it plays out. But if you want to sell, this is the video for you. So yeah, you're gonna have to make your way over to Monad's Twitter. That's the first step. Click the link here, which is app.monad.xyz. And from here, you're gonna want to bridge. So you're gonna want to bridge your Monad tokens over to whatever network you want to bridge it over to. So choose Jumper, should I say. Jumper is the best aggregator there is. And then yeah, from here it's pretty straightforward. So I'm actually going to do it from scratch so you can see. Choose Jumper, and then you're going to want to choose what network you want. So say I want to say bridge to Solana USDC, and then you'll swap from your Monad to your Solana USDC, and then you choose how much you want to get. My allocation was 3,465 Monad. Maximum, that's around $90. So I'm not going to complain. It's something, like I said, I'll just be happy to get something. And I got $90 worth, so I'm happy. I think over the next couple of days, couple of weeks, this is going to go up. Monad is a solid project, and people are saying it's the next Solana. We'll see, but has a long way to go. If it wants, it has to reach 70 cent for it to pass Solana's all-time high, and right now it's at 2 cents. So that's a lot of X's to get to Solana's all-time high. And if it does, Jesus Christ, my $90 will be a lot more than what it is right now. It'll be a couple of thousand. But anyways, regardless, that's what you do. You just go from Monad to USDC. You click how much you want to send, and then choose your wallet, whichever wallet address you want to send it to. Make sure it's your Solana wallet address or whatever you're bridging to, network you're bridging to. Make sure it's that network. The address is that network, and then yeah, just click bridge, and there you go. You claimed your Monad tokens. Essentially, well, your Monad tokens will be put into whatever address you used when checking your allocation, and then they're going to be sent into that wallet. And then if you want to, it's up to you if you want to sell or not, if you want to bridge or whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today, boys. I just wanted to jump on real quickly and let you know that the Monad airdrop has been released. I'm taking my $90, and I don't know, like I said, I'm indecisive. I don't know if I'm selling, don't know if I'm holding. I'm happy that I know that it's there. I don't think it's going to drop much further. I think it's going to go up, actually, to be honest, because of the simple fact that it's Coinbase's first ICO, where pretty much like you could buy Monad pre-sale on Coinbase. And here it is, this is the first ever token sale on Coinbase, which is crazy. What's sale? And this is the price that you could buy at. So it was 25 cent, and right now it's at 25 cent. So it didn't go up too much from if you bought early on Coinbase, but I don't think Coinbase is gonna let this drop, like let this be a failure for the first ever ICO. I think it's going to they're gonna make sure it goes up from here. And yeah, so that's why I think I'm gonna hold for at least a week, couple of weeks, see what happens. But yeah, this is just one airdrop of money, and this kind of airdrop brought me back to life with this channel and made me say, right, I'm gonna start making videos on airdrops and like farming airdrops, because that's what really got me introduced to the Solana ecosystem, or should I say reintroduced back in 2023 or 2024. I just started farming airdrops out of nowhere when I was in the crypto space 2019, 2020, 2021 also. But obviously in the bear market, nothing was going on, so I wasn't really doing much. But then airdrops got me back into Solana ecosystem especially, and other ecosystems as well, Polygon, Osmosis. I just started farming airdrops, and a lot of those airdrops I forgot about because Pump Fund came along and started trading like crazy. And like I missed out on airdrops that I farmed. But I made money on Pump Fund as well, so I can't complain. But I want to be more on the ball now with airdrops and like farm them and make videos on them, informative videos, become a reputable source in the space for airdrops and crypto related news. And yeah, so, and this is the airdrop that got me into it. So I might just only be $90 right now. I never actually interacted with the protocol at all, never done testnet, never done any of that stuff. I never really knew what MONAD was. I just checked it was available, and because I was a high volume trader on Solana, one of my wallets was eligible for the airdrop, and I got $90. But it's actually done me a lot more than just money, because like I said, it's made me revive this channel and start making videos every single week, a couple of week on airdrops, and yeah, it's just sparked that passion inside of me again, and I'm happy. I'm forever grateful for MONAD, and wherever it goes from here, if it goes up, it goes down, I don't know. Like I said, I'm forever grateful regardless. So anyways, enough rambling from me. It's been nearly 6 minutes. I just wanted to let everybody know how to claim your airdrop, and if you didn't know, this is how you claim it. And yeah, I just want to say much love to everybody who subscribed. We are now on 53 subscribers. I'm very, very grateful. I'm very, very happy. We're nearly on 100 subs, and we're going to keep on going. Let's hope. I want to try to get to 1,000 subs, boys, and more, of course. But yeah, this channel's growing very, very fast, and it's very, very easy for me to make these videos. And like, it's hard to find videos like this, or like the Moby airdrop. There was no videos on YouTube when I made mine. And yeah, I just want to be like a person in the space instead of just like claiming the airdrops and farming. I want to actually make informative videos to help you do the same too. And yeah, so that's it, boys. That's everything for today. I'll have another video coming out in a day or two. I have a few pre-recorded videos I'm just going to lash out, but I wanted to get this one out today because it's time sensitive. But anyways, much love, boys. I've been Mystic. You have been whoever is watching this video. And until the next time, peace out.